Witness testimony resumes today over in Idaho for the Chad Daybell murder trial.
You'll recall he's a man accused of killing his first wife and then the two youngest children of his second wife, Lori Vallow Daybell. Vallow Daybell has already been convicted. Chad Daybell has pleaded not guilty.
CBS News correspondent Elise Preston brings us more now from our Los Angeles bureau. Elise, as confusing and complicated as this case is, it surrounds fringe religious beliefs. Just explain for us why that's a main focus.
Good afternoon to you, Errol and Lana. You said it, this is a very complicated case, Errol, but the prosecution says it boils down to three things: sex, money, and power. And they believe that Chad Daybell and Lori Vallow Daybell were the leaders of a doomsday cult, and they had convinced their followers that evil spirits were taking over bodies and that those people needed to be killed. Now, his defense team has been saying, not so fast. Chad Daybell is a humble follower of a church who did mission work, and that he was a good person. But the prosecution also points to that Chad Daybell is an author. They point to all of these premonitions that he had been writing over the years.
Well, Elise, I'm wondering if you can talk to us about the defense team's strategy.
That is also very layered as well, Lana. So Chad Daybell and Lori Vallow Daybell were married before these before these murders happened. We do know, as you mentioned, that she has been convicted of the murders of her two children and Tammy Daybell, the ex-wife of Chad Daybell. And so the defense is really trying to separate the two. They're painting this picture that Lori Vallow Daybell was a troubled person, that she had a troubled life for decades, well before she met Chad Daybell. So they're pointing to that. Then they're also trying to get the defense to look at the facts, and they're saying the facts do not support that the DNA evidence does not support that Chad Daybell was involved in these murders. But the prosecution this whole time has been saying that the two worked in concert together, that they conspired to murder his stepchildren and his ex-wife. What's interesting with this case, Lana and Errol, that is very different than her case just a few months ago, or several months ago, is that we're seeing it play out differently, right? Lori Vallow Daybell's case was not, cameras were not allowed in court, in particular because Chad Daybell's case is a death penalty case. So you're seeing those differences, but also you're seeing that with his case, there is more of a focus on Tammy Daybell, his ex-wife. And we're also hearing from, they had 5 adult children. We're hearing from those children throughout this case. So we're seeing those differences play out in court just between the two.
So fascinating. I know you've just explained how Lori Vallow Daybell's conviction kind of plays into this case. It's so disturbing to see any murder story, specifically when it comes to children. Anything else jumping out at you, Elise, when it comes to what you're seeing as you cover this?
Well, this is day 19 of the trial, and we're just hearing so many gruesome facts, so many gruesome stories over and over. It's one of those cases where, cameras are allowed in court, but you just also have to just pause and say, like, I can't hear this right now. A lot of gruesome facts. Today and yesterday was testimony from the medical examiner who processed, you said, it's really hard to hear about cases involving children. So they processed the youngest child. And so you're hearing just the remnants that were left of this child that had a life, a very innocent life on earth until the end.
It's a very challenging topic. Elise Preston, we really appreciate you sifting through difficult content for our viewers' benefit. Thank you very much.